Welcome to the Visp mapping tool, your visual gateway to your network infrastructure. Let's explore its powerful features and how to use them effectively. The base map is the foundation of your map. You can choose between different map styles, such as street, hybrid, or satellite view, and topographic or terrain view to suit your specific needs. The Layer Control panel also allows you to customize the map's appearance. You can toggle the visibility of various layers, including sites. Visualize your network sites, such as towers, buildings, and data centers. Access points. Display the coverage area of your wireless access points. Subscribers. Locate your customers on the map. Radio coverage. Analyze the signal strength and coverage area of your network. Interconnections. Visualize the connections between different sites. Custom layers. Create custom layers to highlight specific areas or features. The Tools panel provides a range of tools to help you analyze and plan your network. Coordinate display shows the coordinates of the current mouse position. Custom filters. Filter your map data based on specific criteria. Create custom layers. Draw custom shapes and polygons on the map. Export layers. Export your map data to a KML file. And right beside the tool section, on the map itself, you can use the drop-down to do a normal site check, or to pre-qualify customers, or do what-if planning. The what-if analysis. Simulate different network scenarios to optimize your coverage. By effectively using the Visp mapping tool, you can gain valuable insights into your network, optimize resource allocation, and make data-driven decisions.